Over 4,500 years ago, the Great Pyramid of Giza rose from the sands of Egypt, a marvel of human ingenuity that still baffles engineers today. Built as a tomb for Pharaoh Khufu, it contains over 2 million limestone blocks, each weighing up to 80 tons. How did ancient builders lift and align these massive stones with such precision without modern machinery? Scholars believe a combination of ramps, levers, and meticulous planning allowed them to construct the pyramid with near-perfect alignment to the cardinal points. Inside, narrow passageways and hidden chambers reveal a design that balances structural stability with ceremonial purpose. Every stone, every corridor reflects an astonishing understanding of geometry, astronomy, and engineering. Even today, the Great Pyramid stands as a timeless testament to the skill and vision of ancient Egypt, a silent reminder of what humans can achieve when knowledge meets ambition.